Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but yeah, if you guys seen the previous post about Civic, it was just a short. It's home. It's dead. This is going bye-bye. Just getting stuff undone right now. My jack isn't low car friendly, unfortunately, so I can't get the bumper off, take the intercooler off and stuff like that. So we're doing what we can. I'm doing what I can right now, which isn't a whole lot, unfortunately. I'm gonna take the cowl off right there. I'm gonna take the windshield wipers off and go from there. Let's see. I think it's a 14. We'll just grab this one. I think it'll fit my drill. It's not a 14. 17, that's what it is. My bad. It's a 17, I think. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if this fits it. Nope. No grab. This, and this. And done. Bada bing, bada boom. Can't lose that. Going right there. Can't lose it. And this lifts up and out. Driver's side done. Safe check. Remove. Probably mark which one is which. And this goes back there. These pop off. Might need to close the hood though, I think. Maybe not. Let me set this tool down real quick. Voila, that's out. Put that right there. It'll go back. More tools. Come over here. Pop this one off. Little cap. I don't need these, but they're nice to have. Little hand tools. Break it loose. Tool right there for now. And screw. Bada bing, bada boom. It's off. Wiper goes up. Screw goes back. It looks like these actually tell me which side they go on, so that's nice. I didn't know that, to be completely honest. I really didn't. But yeah, so we're gonna be, I guess I'll give you a rundown. Bearing went out, turbo went out, bearing went out. I think you can do that too. So the plan is I'm buying a K24A or K24A2. My friends and I are gonna drop this out the bottom. And then once we do that, I'm gonna buy Haltech standalone and the boom slang harness so we can route everything all over. And we're gonna do the K24A or A2. Z7s were just too much, and the reload was just too much when I can do this in my garage. So that's what we're working with. So let me get the rest of this cowl off now, which it should just. Yep. I just gotta get this plastic piece off. Oh yeah, gotta get this little one out first. And this one. And voila. Now, what I have to do is disconnect this one. It's probably gonna leak all over me, because this is for the windshield wipers, but yeah. So we need to undo this one. Voila, done. Get that out from under there. And we'll just run that up that way. Cowl removed for the most part. I'll put this back with my bumper. Bumper for the truck. Battery. Battery tie down. Sticking with the battery so we don't lose that. Sandpaper for the lip. Doesn't matter. But spanner wrench for the coilovers. Put this up with my extra oil. Oh yeah, I remember what that was for. Cleaning stuff, torque wrench. Pretty sure the other spanner wrench is up here too. Could be wrong though. Need to rearrange the garage. Next will be these bolts. Put these down a little bit more. And then we'll take the metal piece off. I don't think I have to, but in case there's anything we have to get to, I'm taking it off. And I want to say it's a 10. Definitely a 10. Grab a reliable 10, because I don't think I have one in that size. Oh, fun times. All right. Wasn't a 10. Pretty sure it's a 12. Oh, don't smack the knuckles. I don't want to smack knuckles. Sorry, I'm sure that's loud. And we'll put these back here as well. We're not trying to lose anything, you know? Oh no, you don't. Right there. Now, there we go. This one, not done enough yet. Wait, this is a 12, right? Guys, I lost the drill. And I'm gonna go back through this video and figure out where I set it down at, but right here. So I gotta find a piece that fits that side, that also fits the other side. Not that one. I don't have a 1/2 inch 12. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. So I've got to. All right, guys. Let me try to find this real quick. Give me 1 second. Wish it was a 3/8, but it's not. So. Makes it so much easier. All right, I'm gonna do this, and yeah. Girlfriend should be home soon. See what we're doing tonight. All right, that is out. Ouch. Goes with the cowl. Girlfriend's home, so she's probably gonna. We're probably gonna go inside. So I'm gonna put these bolts back, and then we'll pick this up tomorrow or something. Anyway, this is part 1 of Civic Teardown.